This is the overview for the spline tool. To use it, we select our object that we'd like to use for a spline. We can set an optional interval. For this, I will leave it as default and I will press create. I can place my points with my left mouse button and I can right click to finish. Now we have our spline with our object instanced along. I can open up the world outliner and see all my current splines in the world. I can click on them to jump to them. I can press the edit button to bring up the edit menu for that one, and I can delete it from the world. I'll close the outliner for now, and here in the edit menu I can edit the type of the object. With our browser that pops open, we can select a new object such as this 2-story townhouse, and now we have our townhouse on this spline. We can always edit the layout by simply pressing layout. We can now drag our vertices into our new alignment that we'd like. And we can add new points by holding Control and left mouse, and we can edit a point by holding Alt and left mouse on a spline. We can press Edit Layout to apply our changes, and now we have our new layout. We can change our interval from the default to a set meter, so now we have 25 meters distance between each object, and we can edit the scale from its default 1 to 2, or whatever we want in between, and as we can see, the objects uniformly scale up and down. Great, we can close that. And if we add a new one, we can always set our default spacing from the very beginning, press create, we can place our points, right click to finish, and now our objects are spaced evenly along that 15-meter interval between each object. That's all for now. Thanks.